Hey guys, we are continuing Order of Operations today. Quick lesson for you. The only difference is this time we're going to introduce variables where we plug in. So I'm going to give you a variable, but I'm going to give you what that variable is, and we're going to plug it in and then simplify. So we're same order of operations as we did yesterday, and we're just going to follow through with what we did yesterday. So what we have is an evaluate algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression may contain more than one operation. Algebraic expressions can be evaluated if the values of the variables are known. If the variables, they can be evaluated if the variables are known. Step 1 is replace the variables with the values. And step 2, use order of operations to calculate the value remaining. So I'm just going to give you guys one example, and then we're going to go from there. And then you guys are good to go to fill out your worksheet. Again, if you want to do the work on a separate sheet of paper, feel more than welcome. If you are one that likes plugging it into the Google Doc, feel free to do that too. This is really up to you. Whatever works best for you is fine. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to notice that we have x cubed plus 5 times y minus 3. But then they tell us x equals 2 and y equals 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to underline x, and what x equals is 2. Notice that's in green. And then I'm going to underline y. Y is there, and y equals 12. So I'm going to plug these values in with what I know. X is 2 cubed plus 5 times y, but y is 12, so I'm plugging in 12. Minus 3. So now, if you notice, we had an algebraic expression where we had variables. Now we don't have any variables. So from here, it just becomes order of operations and complete your problem. So our first thing we have is parentheses, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So parentheses, 12 minus, so I'm going to do this in a different color actually. I'm going to go with purple. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 9. So then I have 5 is on the outside plus 2 cubed. So my next step is to do the exponent, 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 5 times 9. Multiplication is my next step. So that would be 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. Plus, I'm just going to bring down plus 8. Now if you notice, I'm going to put my equal signs. Now if you notice, we're just left with 8 plus 48. 8 plus 45. And so I'm just going to finish it out and say 53. And that's my answer, 53. And so that's what you're doing for your worksheet today. Again, if you want to plug it, if you want to write it on a separate sheet of paper, feel free. Any questions, as always, reach out.